Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Kitsune for free and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys, and for your information, the Kitsune is one of the pets from the Tranquil update, and now the update is already gone, so we cannot get Kitsune from the game. But don't worry, because here I want to show you how you can get the Kitsune pet even though the update is over now. Okay, one of the method to get Kitsune pet is joining Grow a Garden Discord server. You can go to your Discord application and then you can join Grow a Garden server. You just need to go to the community. Discover here, and then you can search for the Grow a Garden Discord server, and then you can join Grow a Garden. And here guys, if you want to get Kitsune, you can join the giveaway. Okay, you can select the Kitsune giveaway, and then you can join the giveaway here. You can click on join, and then you can do the mission to win the giveaway, and you will have a chance to get the Kitsune pet for free. Okay, you just need to join the giveaway. And then the second method to get Kitsune is trading your pets or your fruits with your friend who has Kitsune, so you can get it for free. Well, actually, it's not free, but maybe one of your friends want to give you free Kitsune. And yeah, that's all the methods that you can try to get Kitsune pet for free, even though the Tranquil update is gone. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!